You can use the Add a Product tool in Seller Central to create a brand new product on Amazon, list a small number of products, or use a simple interface rather than uploading product information with a spreadsheet. This video will show you the steps for listing a new product. To get started, hover over the Inventory tab and click Add a Product. Then, click Create a new product listing. First, you will need to classify your product using the search bar or product category filters. Once you have located your item, click Select. If you do not see your product's category listed, it might require approval or it might be restricted. For more information, you can click Learn More. Next, supply all the necessary information to complete your product listing. Product information is organized by tabs at the top of the page. Fields marked with a red asterisk are required. It is important to provide all the required product information. Products with rich information such as properly formatted titles, high-quality images on white backgrounds, detailed product descriptions, and bullet points will help customers make well-informed purchasing decisions. Failure to supply the required product data could result in your products receiving quality alerts or being suppressed. If you have a product that varies in size or color, you do not have to add each of these variations separately. You can select the Variation Theme option and choose how your product varies. You will see an additional tab appear at the top called Variations. This is also called Parent-Child Variations. For example, let's say you sell one style of juicer that comes in 4 different colors. In this case, you would select the variation theme of color. The parent item, therefore, is the juicer, and there are 4 child items to add, 1 for each color option. Next, in the Variations tab, you can list all your variations and click to add. From here, you can update each child item with your offer information. That includes your seller SKU, the product ID, condition, price, and quantity. The product information that you fill out on the other tabs will be copied to each child. When adding a variation, be sure to supply an image for each child listing. In our juicer example, you would need to provide an image for each color option. When you finish providing your product information, click Save to finish creating your product. After saving, your product can take up to 30 minutes to display to Amazon and your Manage Inventory page.
Ready to start selling? This video will cover the common ways you can list your products on Amazon. The method you select depends on 2 factors. 1, whether your product already exists on Amazon, or if you have to create a new listing, and 2, whether you are adding product one by one or in bulk. The Amazon catalog features products sold by many sellers. To prevent the same product from appearing multiple times, Amazon asks sellers to eliminate duplicate listings by matching the exact same listing. If you're selling a product that is already listed on Amazon, you will create an offer using the existing product detail page. This process is called matching to an existing listing. If you want to match to an existing listing one by one, use the Add a Product tool. On the Seller Central homepage, hover over the Inventory tab and click on the Add a Product option. Make sure you are matching to the exact same product. Enter a product identifier like a UPC, ASIN, or ISBN number into the search box to get accurate results. If you don't have a product identifier, search for the product by entering key details like brand name with a unique identifier, such as part or model number. Once you find the listing, review the title, brand name, images, key product features, description, and the information on the detail page to ensure the match is correct. Just because you are selling something similar does not mean it is the same. If the search result exactly matches your product, click on the Sell This Product button. Next, you will be prompted to enter the condition of the product, price, quantity available, and fulfillment channel. If you are a professional seller and want to match to an existing listings in bulk, use the Inventory Loader. Hover over the Inventory tab and click on Add Products via Upload. Expand the Inventory Files section and download the Inventory Loader spreadsheet. The spreadsheet will allow you to quickly upload thousands of listings to products already available on Amazon. Now let's learn when to create a new listing. New listings are necessary when 1. You are sourcing or creating your own branded products. 2. You are selling private label products. 3. You are trying to list a product that is not present in Amazon's catalog. The creation of the detail page depends on how many items you want to list at one time. If your product does not appear in your search results, click on Create a New Listing. Choose the product category. Choosing the best category ensures that you see the most appropriate data fields for your product. After you click on Select Category, you will be redirected to a listing page. You can start entering product details here. It is best to enable advanced view so that you can see which fields are required and which are optional. This increases your product discoverability and provides important information to your customers. You are required to fill all the mandatory fields highlighted in red in each tab. Under Vital Info, enter information like title, manufacturer, product ID, brand name, etc. Under Variation tab, enter details if the product that you are selling is available in different sizes, color, package quantity, etc. Under Offer tab, provide information like price, quantity, condition, and fulfillment channel, etc. Add product compliance information under the Compliance tab. Under the Images tab, you can add up to 9 images of your product. Refer to the image guidelines of your product category before uploading. Next, add descriptions, keywords, and any additional details in the More Details section. Once you have entered all the information, click on Save and Finish. If you are a professional seller and want to upload new products in bulk, hover over the Inventory tab and click on Add Products via Upload. Expand the Inventory Files section and download the category-specific Inventory Files spreadsheet. This spreadsheet allows you to upload and update new listings on Amazon.
Almost there. We are going to cover one last step you need to take before creating your actual product listing. By the end of this video, you will understand what a product ID is, whether your product has one, and, if not, how to obtain one. For most product categories, sellers are required to use an industry-standard product identifier, known as a product ID, when creating new pages in the Amazon catalog. These product identifiers are part of a system called GTINs, or Global Trade Item Numbers. The most common GTINs used to create Amazon catalog pages are Universal Product Codes, UPCs, International Standard Book Numbers, ISBNs, and European Article Numbers, EANs. Amazon uses these barcodes and numbers to identify the exact items you wish to sell. Each unique product that you sell must have its own barcode. For example, if you are selling a shirt that comes in 3 different sizes, each size of the shirt will have its own barcode. Please note, if you are listing a product that already exists on Amazon, you do not need a UPC, ISBN, or EAN. You will be matching to an existing product page that was already created using one of these barcodes. If you are listing a product that does not already exist on Amazon, you have 2 options for making sure that you have your product ID covered. 1. You can purchase UPCs. Amazon verifies the authenticity of product UPCs by checking the GS1 database. We recommend obtaining your UPCs directly from GS1 and not from other third parties selling UPC licenses to ensure that your UPC is valid. To purchase a UPC code, please visit gs1.org, or if your brand, manufacturer, or publisher does not provide a GTIN for your products, or your product is private label and/or handmade, you may qualify for a GTIN exemption. If you are granted a GTIN exemption, the product ID field won't be highlighted as a required field for you when you try to create your listing. To apply for an exemption, please look in the More Information box to the right. You may be wondering how a product ID differs from a SKU or an ASIN. As you just learned, a product ID is a registered barcode that can be searched online. A SKU, on the other hand, is a string of numbers and letters that you as a seller assign to your products to keep track of your inventory. Finally, Amazon Standard Identification Numbers, ASINs, are unique blocks of 10 letters and/or numbers that are automatically generated by Amazon. ASINs are used to identify items in the Amazon catalog and can be found on the item's product information page on Amazon.com. For more information, search for UPC in Seller Central Help. Please proceed.
Amazon enables sellers to add their products in bulk existing catalog using Inventory Loader. In this video, we will learn about how to list products in bulk using Inventory Loader file. Please note that this file requires basic attributes to be filled like product ID, ASIN, UPC, EAN, SKU, price and quantity. Let's get started. From Seller Central homepage, click on Inventory tab and select Add Products via Upload. Click on Download an Inventory File tab. Click on Inventory File to upload your complete catalog as mentioned in Step 1 or scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Inventory Loader File. Once clicked, the Help page screen will show. Click on Download Inventory Loader and a copy will be downloaded to your PC. Click on the downloaded sheet and start adding your information. Make sure to use the instructions and data definition sheets as to guide for filling the sheet. If you have the list of ASINs that you wish to add products to, enter the ASINs in Product ID column and select 1 from Product ID type and choose 11 from Item Condition as mentioned in the definitions. Please note, before uploading your file, make sure to check your ASINs on Amazon to avoid any product mismatch. If you have the list of barcodes, UPC, EAN, ISBN that you wish to add products to but do not have the corresponding ASINs, enter the barcodes in Product ID column and select the Product ID type number as 2. Once you're done with filing the template, save the file in a text.txt format before uploading. In order to upload the file in Add Products via Upload page, click on Check and Upload Your Inventory File tab. From the drop-down menu, select Inventory Loader File. You can check the status of your file from Monitor Upload Status. If the processing report displayed multiple errors, search for the error code in the Help search bar to learn more about the error and solution. If the processing report displayed errors that the listed ASIN, UPC, EAN were not recognized, that means the item is not listed on Amazon.ae. In this case, proceed with new listing creation and follow Step 2 or use the category-specific files. Now you have the ability to add your products in Arabic. The feature enables you to choose the language in which you will submit listing content in your inventory file template. The template will be set to the default language of the country in which you are listing, but you now have the option to select other languages. From Seller Central, hover over Inventory menu. Then select Add Products via Upload option. From the Add Product via Upload page, follow the steps in the page. In the Product classifier, select the type of products you want to sell. Scroll down to select the template and select your preferred language. Select Arabic from the first drop-down menu and the language you will use to enter your listing in. On the second drop-down menu, also select Arabic. Click on Generate Template. The Excel sheet will be downloaded to your computer. Click to open it. Proceed with filing the needed information following the instructions, which will be displayed in your preferred language, which is Arabic in this case.